When you buy NFL Sunday Ticket as an add-on to a YouTube TV base plan, you get the most live NFL games. To get NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube TV, you'll need to be a monthly subscriber of the YouTube TV base plan. Once you've bought NFL Sunday Ticket, you can't cancel your membership or get a refund for the current season. Here are the steps to buy NFL Sunday Ticket as a YouTube TV add-on if you're a new YouTube TV subscriber. First, go to tv.youtube.com or download the app on your phone or TV. If you sign up on a web browser or on an Android device, press Start Free Trial to try out YouTube TV for free. Begin the process by entering your zip code. This determines your home area, allowing you to see what local channels will be available to you as part of your base plan. Next, choose Base Plan plus NFL Sunday Ticket. Then, you'll be given the option to buy NFL Sunday Ticket over 4 payments or pay in full. To get NFL Red Zone, hit the plus sign next to the NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus add-on. If there's a special offer, the discounted price will be clearly displayed in the checkout window. Or, if you have a promotional code, enter it here. Now press Next Checkout to complete the process. Note that your base plan must remain active throughout the season to access NFL Sunday Ticket. Then, you'll be asked to confirm your payment details to complete your purchase. You'll receive an email confirmation letting you know that your YouTube TV and NFL Sunday Ticket membership has begun. If you didn't receive a confirmation, check that your card wasn't declined or the charge isn't still pending. Finally, if you want to share the benefits of the NFL Sunday Ticket experience with others, you'll need to create a family group. A family group lets you share your YouTube TV membership, add-ons, and other Google services with up to 5 members at no extra cost. Do note that only the family manager can make NFL Sunday Ticket available to the family group. To learn more about buying NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV, check out the article in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.